Hi everyone, welcome to Forex Trading Empire YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be doing a trade breakdown on a trade we took on EURUSD, and this trade was explained on our free Discord live section on Tuesday. Before I start, make sure to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Now, on Tuesday, we discussed about not having a clear bias on EURUSD, because if you check out the YouTube channel, we posted a weekly outlook where we're anticipating price to retrace after running this high. Now, on Monday, price traded through, closed, run out this buy side liquidity. After the run on the buy side liquidity, we didn't have a clear bias, but we were looking for an intraday setup where we are looking for price to run out the previous day high or previous day low to look for a trade setup. So when price took out the previous day high, I sent out this image indicating that price have already shift structure on the 15-minute and I'm anticipating lower prices to run at a sell side liquidity, asking the private student to go through the EURUSD as a case study. On the weekly outlook, I talked about price running out this high from the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, I said that I'm anticipating lower prices this week, looking for price to run out this buy side liquidity. That after the run on the buy side liquidity, I'll be looking for a 4-hour shift in market structure before looking for lower prices. Now, price run out the high on Monday, but price did not shift structure on the 4-hour time frame. So we didn't have a clear bias to anticipate lower prices. So on Tuesday, when we're having the live section, I talked about previous day high and previous day low. On the previous day high, I talked about if price were to run the previous day high throughout the week, I'll be anticipating price to trade to a 15-minute liquidity pool after the run on the previous day high if I can identify a shift in market structure. So on the daily time frame, on Wednesday, price run out Tuesday's high. After the run on the Tuesday's high, going down into lower time frame from the 15 minutes, we saw a shift in market structure and we target liquidity, a 15-minute liquidity on a discount level. On the 15-minute time frame, you can see the previous day high. Price traded through the previous day high during the New York section. After the run on the previous day high, that was what we were waiting for, because you can see that this is close to a double top. With this high, it's like a double top liquidity and it's still aligned with the previous day high. So anticipating a retracement back to the range, looking for price to run out the sell side liquidity and this sell side liquidity. That was my target, looking for a shift in market structure. Now on the 15 minutes, price traded lower, run out the swing low, retracement to this other block. After retracement to the other block, price traded lower. There was a 15-minute entry. That was actually the entry we used in executing this trade on Wednesday on our private section. On the private section, price retraced to the other block on the 15 minutes, traded lower, retraced to this fair value gap, and we're anticipating price to retrace down to the sell side liquidity. And price traded to the sell side liquidity, took a few retracements, a few consolidation, but price later traded lower, took up the sell side liquidity. Moving to the 5-minute time frame, during the New York section after the 8:30, so it's a specific setup in the community. We call it the 8:30 setup. Now the 8:30 setup is looking for price to run a major liquidity before 8:30, then a 15-minute shift in market structure, and you look for your 5-minute entry at 8:30, the first fair value gap after 8:30. So the first fair value gap after 8:30 is this fair value gap at 8:35. Price retraced to the fair value gap, respected the fair value gap, led to lower prices for price to trade to the sell side liquidity. So that was the whole outlook on where we're looking for price to trade to on Wednesday. Price traded lower, took out the sell side liquidity. Now going further, Price took out Wednesday low, and we might see an uptrend going back to this range if price were to expect this run on sell side liquidity. But clearly we don't have any clear bias till we look at what price do on Friday. Then maybe during the weekend I'll be dropping a weekly outlook talking on where I'm anticipating price to trade to going to next week. So that's all for this video. See you guys in the next video.